The Aprilia Shiver 900 is making a comeback after nearly 5 years, but this time, the Italian brand is producing and selling it exclusively in China. While the 2025 model retains much of the design language from its predecessor, it comes with a number of updates and fresh styling elements. Visually, the new Shiver 900 stays true to the 2020 model, though it introduces new side panels and an upswept tail section. The bike also gets updated LED headlamps, which now feature a stacked design reminiscent of the original. One of the key technological updates is the new keyless ignition system, which replaces the traditional ignition switch for added convenience. Under the hood, the 2025 Shiver 900 continues to be powered by the same 896cc V-twin engine as the previous generation. This liquid-cooled engine delivers 94 brake horsepower at 8,750 RPM and 90 Nm of torque at 6,500 RPM. In terms of handling, the bike is equipped with 17-inch alloy wheels, shod with a 120/70 section front tire and a 180/55 section rear tire. Suspension duties are handled by KYB components with adjustability for spring preload and rebound. For braking, the Shiver 900 features twin 320mm front discs and a single 240mm rear disc. Weighing in at 220 kilograms, it combines performance with a balanced ride. While the Shiver 900 may be back on the market, it's important to note that it's making its return to a different region, with China being its exclusive market.